Tonight, this area was completely blocked off for several hours as officials investigated the scene. They have not yet released the identity of the victim. Just 2 days before Christmas, a tragic landscaping accident in Bucks County.
Unfortunately, landscaping and tree work is dangerous work.
Lower Southampton Township Police Chief Ted Krimmel says just before 5 Monday evening, officers and rescue crews were called to Valley View Drive for what was reported as a rescue. When they arrived, they instead discovered a deadly accident. A man in his 60s caught in a woodchipper. He was pronounced dead at the scene.
The Christmas coming up, it's terrible. Can't really imagine a worse thing that happened this time of year to a family.
Police also confirmed the victim is related to someone connected to the Philadelphia Police Department.
One of the family members is part of the Philadelphia Police Department. They're here supporting that person.
Now, the investigation remains ongoing. The Bucks County Coroner's Office will be releasing the official cause of death. In Lower Southampton Township, Shaira, Arias, NBC 10 News.